Kiefer Sutherland, the well-known actor recognized for his intense performances in television and film, found himself at the center of a serious legal incident involving an alleged physical altercation with a rideshare driver. The 59-year-old star was taken into custody following reports of an assault and the issuance of criminal threats during what began as a routine transportation encounter in the Hollywood area of Los Angeles. The events unfolded in the early morning hours near the busy intersection of Sunset Boulevard and Fairfax Avenue, a location familiar to many in the entertainment industry due to its proximity to studios, nightlife venues, and high-traffic entertainment districts. Authorities from the Los Angeles Police Department responded promptly to a radio call reporting an assault involving a rideshare driver. Upon arrival, officers conducted an investigation that led them to identify Sutherland as the individual involved in the alleged incident. According to details shared by law enforcement, Sutherland had entered the rideshare vehicle as a passenger. During the course of the ride, a confrontation reportedly escalated, resulting in the actor physically assaulting the driver. In addition to the physical contact, Sutherland is accused of making serious criminal threats directed toward the victim. These threats, under California law, fall under specific penal code provisions that address verbal or implied dangers intended to place someone in reasonable fear for their safety. Importantly, the driver did not suffer any injuries that required immediate medical attention at the scene. No reports indicated the need for hospitalization, emergency treatment, or ongoing care related to physical harm. This detail underscores that while the alleged actions were serious enough to warrant an arrest, the physical outcome did not result in visible or treatable injuries for the driver. Sutherland was detained right at the location of the incident. Officers placed him under arrest specifically on charges related to criminal threats, citing the relevant section of the California Penal Code that criminalizes such behavior when it involves intent to terrorize or intimidate. This charge reflects the gravity with which authorities view threats made in the context of interpersonal conflicts, particularly when one party is in a vulnerable position such as operating a vehicle for hire. Following his detention, Sutherland was transported to a local jail facility where he was formally booked. Records from the booking process confirmed that he did not remain in custody for an extended period. He was released after posting a bond set at $50,000, an amount that allowed him to secure his freedom pending further legal proceedings. The relatively swift release on bond is common in cases where the charges, while serious, do not involve immediate flight risk or extreme violence resulting in severe injury. Looking ahead in the legal process, Sutherland's next scheduled appearance before the court is set for the Los Angeles County Superior Court. This upcoming date marks an important step in the progression of the case, where formal charges may be reviewed, evidence presented, and initial pleas entered. The court system will handle the matter through standard procedures, potentially involving discovery of evidence, witness statements from the driver and any potential bystanders or rideshare company records, and possibly negotiations between prosecution and defense. The incident has drawn attention due to Sutherland's long-standing career in Hollywood. Best known for his role as Jack Bauer in the high-stakes thriller series 24, Sutherland has built a reputation for portraying complex, often intense characters who navigate moral gray areas and high-pressure situations. His work extends to other notable projects, including Designated Survivor, where he played a politician thrust into the presidency amid national crisis, showcasing his ability to convey authority, vulnerability, and determination. Over the decades, Sutherland has appeared in numerous films and television shows, earning acclaim for his dedication to craft and his ability to immerse himself in demanding roles. This recent event stands in contrast to the disciplined, focused public image Sutherland has often projected through his work. It raises questions about the pressures of celebrity life, the challenges of navigating public spaces in a major city like Los Angeles, and how personal interactions can sometimes escalate unexpectedly. Rideshare services have become a staple of daily life for many, including public figures who may prefer them for convenience and anonymity over traditional driving or private transportation. However, incidents like this highlight the potential vulnerabilities on both sides: passengers relying on drivers for safe travel, and drivers managing unpredictable human behavior while on the job. In the broader context of Hollywood and celebrity news, such episodes occasionally make headlines, prompting discussions about accountability, personal conduct, and the intersection of fame with everyday legal matters. Sutherland's case will likely proceed through the courts with the standard safeguards, including the presumption of innocence until proven otherwise. The outcome could range from dismissal of charges, plea agreements, or a full trial, depending on the strength of evidence gathered by investigators. For the rideshare driver involved, The experience serves as a reminder of the risks inherent in the gig economy, where operators often work independently and encounter a wide range of passengers. Advocacy groups for rideshare workers have long called for better protections, including enhanced safety features and apps, quicker response from companies to incidents, and legal support when disputes arise. While this particular case did not result in physical injury requiring treatment, the emotional and professional impact of such an encounter can be significant.